Guys, I'm Ukraine Corey, and today I'm gonna do some slime review. Wash the dishes. It's so many.
Si ate may mga dog, nagbo-work si...
Hey guys, and now I'm back. I forgot to tell you my name. I'm Dr. Yuki. And today, I'm gonna interview a slime. Now, you must know I have two different sizes of injection. And gonna open it. The webby slimer. Look at that, guys. It got a balloon. It 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 got a bubble. A bubble. A bubble. It's a bubble, guys. Hey, what is it? Hey, what is it? And today, I got some webby sticky slime. If this can get this slime, but he cannot get this slime. This slime, guys, we just create this slime. We just create this. This is the most impossible slime that we create. Webby slime. And now, to make him to make him a bubble, we must this 17. Then how? If you wanna do him a bubble, you need to do it like that. Then it like so many times. It's so slimy, guys. It's so sticky. Look at it, guys. So come and give it in. So see, guys, so slimy. Oh my gosh, guys, I eat the slime. Oh my gosh, guys, I eat the slime. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it again, guys. And it that again.
Again and again.
And gonna do it, guys. I'm gonna make a bubble, but I can't make a bubble. That's why we have the pink one to make a bubble. You need to put it like that. Yep. And then you're gonna inject it. See? It's nothing to him. What slime is this? Hala! It's nothing. Look at this bubble. This bubble. Wait a second, guys. I got another idea. Okay. Now we're gonna do it. Not gonna eat. And guys, whatever I do, it's not an edit. That's why you can eat it. Do not eat it. I'm warning you guys. If you eat this, you will die because it has so many presents on it. See, eyeball. It got so many presents. Like this, guys. Alien face. yucky. Guys, and if you this can dance. This can dance, guys. Look at this, guys. It can dance. Wait, dance. Okay, then wait, this gender can just as I go, I got a snake in my arm, a pink snake, in my arm, a pink snake. What's it? That was almost dying. A pink snake on my arm. Ah, I got a pink snake on my arm. Help guys, a monster, a monster. And do is now we can do D. We're just gonna get rid. Ah! I get and die. You'll get. Now we're gonna go draw. Woo! We get the sticky slime. Not your sticky slime. The webby slime. Don't like that webby slime. Oh no, we got so many slime. Okay. Now we got no more slime. Now I'm gonna get him again. Panty. You can see that, guys. Final adventure that I can show you. Okay. Oh, where I'm gonna show it to you. This is the final, guys. And make sure to subscribe after I show the
Shut up!
This is the first letter of my name. Y. See, guys, you can do it like this. Oops, it's done. Oh! Bye, guys. Oh my God. What did I done?